Penny, did you do that? Huh? Was that you? Oh my God.
Are you, Snip?
How did you get that?
No.
Give it to me.
Fluff off! It's medicinal! I'm not a child!
Give it.
Oh no.
Do you want some?
I'm losing control of my extremities! I need a CAT scan!
You can have some.
It's too late! I'm already dead!
And please say you go home.
Down. Get down. Don't be dumb. Like that.
Say. Fishing hot dog.
Get down, Zara. Get down.
Bruh. What the fuck? What the fuck? What are you doing? Bro, if you break my anchor. Give me your paw. Give me your paw.
Some hot sauce in your mouth.
Oh, it's spicy. It's spicy.
You want some more?
He's mad at the burrito.
He is. He's got his claws out. He's really mad at it.
Alright, if you have a cat, I'm sure you can relate. They take over your chair while you're working. It's too bad. You can't do anything about it. But the real question is, when you have two cats, does your other one guard the power button like it's the last turkey leg on Thanksgiving?